Since the oil spill began, more than 230 sea turtles have been found stranded across South Mississippi. Only 31 of them were still alive. Today, 11 turtles that were rescued and rehabilitated in Gulfport were transported to temporary homes in Florida. Train Fan Bowie shows us efforts to save those endangered animals during this coastal crisis.
A private plane prepares for takeoff in Gulfport, carrying some precious cargo. Inside, 11 endangered Kemp's Ridley sea turtles. How they ended up here is pretty amazing. These animals were found around piers across South Mississippi, injured and clinging to life.
These were all animals that were hooked. They were in pretty bad condition. Some were found in their mouth, some in their guts.
The rescued turtles were rehabilitated by Dr. Moby Salangi and his staff at the Institute for Marine Mammal Studies in Gulfport. He believes the animals were trying to escape the invading oil in the Gulf.
As the habitat is shrinking, these animals were moving closer to shore and looking for food. They were biting on the bait. This is the largest we've ever seen animals on hooks.
Salangi's team has saved more than 30 turtles so far.
We can't release them back into the environment they came from, so they're being sent to Orlando to different facilities for safekeeping.
9 of these turtles will be heading to SeaWorld in Orlando. The other 2 will be going to Disney World.
I think this is an absolute success story. So far we've handled over 200 dead animals, and we were finding nothing but dead, and finding live was just ecstatic.
These 11 survivors are now traveling in style on a private plane donated by a New Orleans law firm.
All the animals need help, so it's a man-made problem that it's not their fault, so we just want to do what we could do to help out.
They're on their way to a new life in Florida and out of harm's way.
I think they'll keep them until they can find a place to release them. I think we're proud that we were able to save them, rehabilitate them. That's essentially what we do.
In Gulfport, Train Fan Bowie, WLOX News.
And this was the second turtle transport. About a month ago, 5 turtles were shipped to Mote Marine Lab in Sarasota, Florida. And Dr. Salangi says some of them were released into the Florida Keys.